It's like 11:30ish. So I fed the family. My husband's sleeping. I have a hat on because it's absolutely cold down here. It's freezing. I don't know why it's so cold. My extremities are so cold I can barely stand it. So if I keep on moving, I'll be fine. I need to finish this out and I'm hoping to get this done. I'm going to show you the rest and then I'm going to stay up as long as I can stand it. My husband's already sleeping, so he'll never know I'm gone. I am going to photo the rest of this stuff. I'm going to box up the party stuff. I decided I'm going to put that on Facebook. There is so much of it. I think there's like 3 boxes of party plates, everything that goes with it. So I'll probably stick that in a huge lot and put on Facebook. Really cheap. I didn't realize this hat was so tall. I've been wearing this all over the place. Here we have a cute little Beanie Baby. I don't know what this is worth or if it's worth anything. I could have taken all my mother-in-law's Beanie Babies when she moved out, but I looked at those and thought, So now I have one. I guess I'll sell that. Oh, this looks yummy. I'll probably wash this up and see if my daughter wants this one. She loves to bake and she's actually going to college for baking. So I'll watch this and see if she wants that. If not, I'll probably put it up for a couple dollars. Okay, now I love these Santas. I did pay up for these. It seems like I may have paid around, I don't know, $20, maybe less. Something like that. 'Cause I do sell these really well. And I sell them all year round. I love selling Santas. Okay, oh, here's something really weird. Okay, so we ate dinner. Husband fell asleep. I snuck back down here to do some more work. And I came down here. You would not believe this. This. Can you see that? This was sitting right here on my desk like this in the middle of my countertop. And I don't remember even taking this out unless I just don't remember because there was a lot of stuff. That's weird. Nobody else has been down here and nobody else really comes down here. So this little guy will be the first to be listed. And if I see this one out again playing, I'm going to put him for sale really cheap. Or give him to a friend. I'm a little creeped out about it, to tell you the truth. Here is Santa, and he's got little bags. This is really cute. This is a nice quality one. Let's see if there's a mark. There might be marks on him that I'm just not aware of. It's kind of sewn together, so I'll use my Google Lens and see if I can figure that out. But this is obviously like a really good quality Santa. Yes, I bought a lot of Santas. Santa. This one is beautiful. I wish I had hair like this. I am not gifted with hair. I used to have beautiful hair once upon a time. Look how cute he is. I thought some of these had tags. This one does not, but they're really well made. Something nice. This little guy, where's your face? You are beautiful. What is this? Merry Christmas. So here's a Santa. Sorry if I sneeze. My allergies are just off the wall. I'm assuming these came from a barn or they sat in that abandoned building for a while. But I'm thinking they came from the barn. So this is TJ Collection. And I think he was going for like $30, $40. But yeah, he's really cute. I might just put that as free then on Facebook Marketplace. I'm going to include my business card. And hopefully they'll subscribe to me if I give away free stuff. Okay, here's the Santa. Another little Santa. Okay, and then I've got this photo album. The funny thing is most of the stuff is like vintage, but most of it has tags on it yet, which is really strange. So So here's a photo album. These things sell pretty well. I actually need one. But, you know, I can't say that I need everything all the time. But I actually do need one for my genealogy photos, and this might work. Although I wanted a bigger one, so maybe not. So I'll probably sell this one, or I might keep this for my own genealogy stuff and do like one family and a photo album. It's something I actually have been wanting to do. So, and it's like on my list of stuff to buy, but I never buy for myself. Usually when I buy stuff, it's usually for eBay and like never really for myself. It's for myself in a business kind of way, but never really for myself. Even the sweatshirt I have was for somebody else, but it didn't fit them, so I kept it for myself. So here is some antique brass stars. I think it says made in Korea in it. Now these, I did pay up for these. I think I paid like $25, and I have a couple more I have to take out of the box. They're really nicely done. Even on the back, they are really pretty. Ooh. It kind of goes in my gold decor, but you are not going to keep everything, lady. Okay. And these hang on the wall. And don't laugh if something ends up in back of me. Okay, so here are some more photo albums. I don't know if this plastic is safe for photos. Like, my goodness, these are nice. That's so funny. Like, I've been wanting some. Okay, I'm almost at the end, so I'll be taking my photos soon, which is good. So here's the two other ones. And they are wall hangings. These don't have nice backs like the other one, but they're very similar. They do have some scratching. They're really kind of cool. They're very heavy. So I'm not sure if I would sell that together or not. Definitely not a 4. It's really strange to me how there's so much of this stuff still had tags. And it's not new. It's like vintage stuff. It's like most of it's over 20 years old, so that's vintage. New wedding album. Does have some marks on it, but it looks like it sat around somewhere and nobody ever used it. I would definitely think this is vintage. I'm gonna guess probably 70s. And then here's another one. This is made of wood. So and it's actually signed by the photographer, so I wonder. Oh, my. So here's a wedding album, and let's see here. It's signed by the photographer, and there used to be pictures in there. That's so bad. That's so bad. And somebody took them out. Oh my goodness. Talk about bad karma in my office. So I'm gonna look this up. This is not in perfect condition. But you know what I realized too, looking at this? Even if you were to take the mats out of these, look at this. Look at that. The mats are awesome. They are real. I mean, you could use that as a mat. And it was somebody's photo album. I didn't keep my photos from the first one either, and I think I don't even think I took any of the photos from then, like nothing. I just let everything go. I didn't really want anything, so I totally get it. No thank you, no thank you. So, I have a huge box of what are those things called? Cookie cutters? making cookies. And it's a massive box. It's all like vintage. They have price tags, so it's gonna take forever to get the price tags off. Yay me. And it's gonna be no fun. And then I have another crate, like a milk crate, like one of those vintage milk crates. And that is also full of cookie cutters, so that will be fun. I do like listing that stuff because you really can't break them. I prefer to list things that you cannot break, but I do tend to buy really low and list that way, so whatever I get I just try to sell, otherwise I just get rid of it. So, alright, so my photo table is full, and I am going to be listing to my heart's desire. I'll probably be watching all of you on YouTube tonight with your videos saying what you're doing as I'm listing. Alright everybody, have a really good night. Bye.